Hey guys, Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, and we're doing a little walk around at the auction. If you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned. Alright, what kind of stuff do we have here? Wood chipper. Little slot machine. And looks like a server rack. Chainsaw cases. Any chainsaws in them? Oh yeah. Nope. Missing the bar unless it's in there. This looks like a fireplace mantle. Ten speeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 10 speeds. So would that be a 40 speed? Come on, guys. I gotta say something while I'm walking around. Man, they got it piled up, don't they? Yard sweeper. It's a Bolens. It's going around the corner here. They got it piled around this corner. Sometimes even, I think last time they had stuff all the way out here. So today, probably because it's rained, or they haven't come here to set up yet. They're still bringing in stuff all day today. Some little chainsaws. A little 8 horsepower. Little scooter back there, needs some wheels on it. Look at this pot. Look at this. Oh my. Let's go investigate that. What do we got? What are we looking at? It's a box lot of weed trimmers. What is in here, man? All kinds of stuff packed all the way down in there. I mean, there's some empty spots, but it is jam piled down in here. Look at that. You got a FS36 sitting right on the top. That's one way to do it, fellas. Throw it all in a box. In a wooden crate. Goodies box. All included. There we go, man. Wonder if they'll probably, to get more money, they'll sell them one at a time. Especially that steel, they'll take that out. Some of them they'll pick up out of there, the easy ones. Easy pickings. Holy bejeebies! Did you see all that stuff in that box? That is a whole lot of small engine stuff right there, man. Hey, that is a repairman's dream. Alright, so what else am I looking for? Here's your old snowmobile. Bobcat. It's a chainsaw. Remington Bantam. Poulan Pro. That's French. 500E series. Alright, let's step back so I don't have to walk back here, I guess. Let's go backwards a little bit. See what's over here. Air tank. Some saws. Cider press. Garbage cans. You know, I need a garbage can. Wonder how much these will go for. Alright, we were on this side, sorry. Jumping sides. Fishing reels. All the stuff got wet. Been sitting out here, look, just soaking. Soaking, baby. Honda Easy Start. It's one of those Toro S200s. Those aren't actually too bad. Nice little sidewalk cleaner. Looks like a grill in the box. And that's a brand new one in that box. It's a Honda HR 215 and a snowblower. Ooh, here we go. It's a dryer. Samson dryer. John Deere L120. Oh, where's Brandon at? We need this fixed, buddy.
Good standard deal.
That's right.
I said I'd replace 20 of them.
Oh yeah.
Didn't make them heavy enough, that's for sure.
And the hood's not broken. That's
No,
that's
something good about it.
that's a miracle, right there.
No doubt.
Right, and it's got a V-twin in it.
Don't go too high, I might buy it.
Yeah.
Fix that front end.
Fix up that seat a little bit.
Yeah, put a new one on it.
Paint the deck. Now, do you do all that when you do it?
Yep.
You do?
Deck will come off, I'll repaint it, sandblast it, repaint it,
Nice.
make it look like new, do that floor,
Do
redo that floor and stuff.
And then how much would you sell that for?
I'll get about $2,500 for it.
2,500?
Yep.
That's a
New
good price.
style.
Yeah, you're gonna redo it. Yeah.
Well, it's a newer style mower. That's
Yeah.
the biggest thing. It's not that old.
Yeah, it's not too old. Let's see if we can find a year on it. This is probably one of the good ones that didn't come from the box store.
It came from Wheeling. Every year, but they're not in business no more.
Yeah.
They sold out. Oh God.
Yeah, this is a little
20
heavier
years
duty
ago.
one than the ones they sell at Lowe's.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot better one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a regular John Deere dealer that sold it.
Yeah.
John Deere dealer wouldn't sell them things that Lowe's and stuff have. They look similar to them, but there's difference.
Right.
Numbers alone will tell you the difference.
These are my buddy Don's. Don brought these out here. So a lot of times Don will steal the engines off and put them on a better mower. It's probably what he's done. Alright, let's jump back to this other side. See what we got going on over here. Lots of good stuff. Edger. Look at this right here, man. Here's what you got. What do we got? What are we looking at? Zephyr Deluxe. So we have a roller, we have a cutter, and then we have our striper in the back. This might just be interesting enough to buy. Be one to watch, fellas. One to watch. So this is going to be a mighty long auction. There's going to be well more than one auctioneer going on because it'll be a long day. Another generator there. Now I have to get through this mud puddle again. I already got one soaker. So let's get through there. Here we go. What is this? So we can already tell it's old because it's got the wraparound string to it. Roto, we can see, make out that roto. That's all we can make out on that. So it looks to be like a water pump. Look kind of like a lawnmower, but this is like a water pump somehow. So if you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. So if you haven't seen one of these auction videos before, hey, they get all these things that are brand new, some used stuff, but they get a lot of store pallet returns, and then they bring them here to the auction and sell them. So let's take a look. Let's walk into the barn and see what we got. Here's your slot machine, circus. Here we go. All this good stuff here. Nice slow pan. Another slot machine. It's hard to walk slow, guys. So all these will be auctioned off. Lots of good stuff in here. Ooh. And put you up there next to your dear friend. Subscribe. Hit that bell icon. Get notified every time there's a new video. NASCAR stuff. Look at this, Bob. I know Jungle Bob's watching. We had a nice NASCAR blow up there. A lot of NASCAR stuff. Bob, if I knew which one you wanted, I'd try to buy it for you. Look at this jacket. Wonder if I snuck a Mowers and Blowers sticker on there. Wonder if they'd notice. It'd be funny. Alright, see if we can see what's in the pails. I'm just going to hold up and go by. The heater. Skag lawnmower seat. Ukulele. Is that what that is? Got your gloves again. Where are they getting all these gloves, man? Pepsi Cola. How long has it been since it's been called Pepsi Cola? Ooh. Ooh, there we go. All right. Move on, Rich. Go take a lesson somewhere else. Oh, come on. Tools. I wonder if they have any tools here for sale. I'm not sure. If they do, I might look at buying some. Well, guys, that was an excellent tour. Look at this. Let's head back out here and we will see. Hey, so at these consignment auctions, you know, they sell more than just everyday household items. So you can find these cars and trucks and cherry pickers. Hey, check this out. All right, guys, so we're at the last row over here where they sell the autos. So we got a big boom lift right there. Start you a tree cutting service. Some cars. Gonna be for sale. Ford Ranger. Ranger. Honda. Ford pickup truck. Look at this. Got a nice little trailer right there. That one looks like a nice one. Nice wood bed in it. Somebody took time and made that. Painted it up looking nice. So they sell vehicles out here too. It's got to have a title. Doesn't have to run. It has to have a title. And there is a little extra fee involved when you sell a vehicle. You have to pay if it's $25 or $50 title fee. On top of that, we got a mower sitting out here with the Bronco Troy built. What's under the hood, guys? Let's see. Kohler Courage. Right. Now we know why it's out here. So some horse trailers, an enclosed trailer. Just a nice little enclosed trailer. Some more cars. A BMW. Look at that. A Beamer. A little bit of everything out here. BMW, man. Got a snow blower way out here. What else we got? We got some stuff way out here. Another Another rider. Now we know that's not a Courage. That's an Intec. There you go. Those are good motors. I like those. Seem to be good for me anyways. Then as we go out further, you get some farm equipment. All this good farm equipment. Got another truck out there. And a boat. Looks like a boat way out there. I'm not walking out there. There's a bed. 4x4. Bed for a Ford. Here's a bed for a utility truck. Come in handy. Handy dandy. Here's looks like a homemade out of a camper maybe or something. This looks like a homemade trailer. Was a camper at one time, I believe. That's what it looks like anyways. So you guys get an old camper and can surely make a trailer out of it. All right. Some wall art. Make a nice good tractor wall art right there. My upside down probably goes this way like that. Nice wall art. Heck, Rich, I'll put that on my tractor. I've been looking for one of those. Ain't hanging on no wall. Yeah, okay. Wall art. Porta-John? Nobody's in it. Look at this, a Poulan Pro. That one might have my name on it. Has the paperwork and everything. Look at that, nice. So have to check that one out. Guys, thanks for joining me. Hey, you like these consignment auctions? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. Get notified every time I put out a new video. I got a whole bunch of these consignment auctions coming up here. And it's the end of the season, so things can be dirt cheap. Woohoo! This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh! And we'll see you at the auction.